So this problem that asks us, find what is the measure of angle 1? I know it says M. Mathematicians, I think, are lazy, so they don't want to write the word measure. Measure of angle 1. They just write the M. Now, this problem is going to be easy if we understand this theorem. Now, a couple things about this theorem. It's called the exterior angle theorem. It says the measure of an exterior angle, and I spelled it wrong. Let me fix that. Exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two remote interior angles. So my question is, can you tell me what the word exterior means and the word interior? If you don't know, that's okay, just say so. What does exterior mean? This word right here, exterior. Whoops, that's too dark here. This word right here, exterior. Can you tell me what that means? It's okay if you don't know. Doesn't it mean outside? Why is it not getting yellow like I said? Anyway, yeah, it means outside, doesn't it? The word exterior. And of course, interior means what? Interior means inside, doesn't it? Okay, for some reason darn it. I know what's happening here. Sorry about the little notes here. Okay, somehow it got messed up on me. All right, yeah. Exterior means outside. Interior means inside. Okay. Maybe I'm going to add that to my notes here. I think I definitely will. You don't have to write it down, but this, when you play this back, you'll know what I'm talking about. Exterior just means outside. Outside. And of course, interior means inside. Okay. So can you tell me which angles there are inside? There are two correct answers. Of course. Can you tell me which angle is outside? Exterior. That's not a. That's just it's angle 1, right? I want to make sure that that's clear. That is not a 1-degree angle. It's the name of the angle. That's okay. No, it's a common thing, and I wish they would use a letter instead of a number. Sometimes they do, and they didn't do it here. I don't know why. So this says that I'm going to see if I can highlight here without it messing up on me this time. This says that the measure of it is equal to the sum. What does that word mean? S-U-M. What does it mean if I ask you to find the sum? What would you do? Would you add or would you multiply? When I ask you to find the sum of two things, do you add or do you multiply? You're right. You're right. You add. So we're going to add, we're going to find the sum of the remote interior angles. I also want to make sure that that word remote is clear. Do you ever use a remote control at home? Sure, probably, you think? Haven't you? Haven't you used the remote on your TV or something like that? Yeah, right? All right, what does that word remote mean? It means further away. You're not right up on the TV so you can push the buttons. You use the button because you don't feel like, getting up out of the couch or whatever, sometimes we're lazy. That's what remote means. It means far away. So there's another interior angle, by the way, here. Another angle that's inside. Now they didn't put anything on it, but it's this red angle here. That's interior, but it's not remote. Tell me again, I just said it a minute ago. Did you understand what does remote mean? Right, that they're farther away. So let me say it another way. These which angles are far away from this blue angle? The red one or the two green ones? Which ones are? Yeah, the two green ones are remote. Far away is plain English, right? And those are the two we have to add. The sum, like you said, we're just going to add them. So we're going to find the sum, and I'm going to use a green, the sum of the 48 degrees and the 78 degrees. Okay? What do you get if you, and that's going to be our answer, by the way. That's all there is to this. What do you get if you add, say that one more time? 126. The answer is done. I should say the problem's done. You're done. This blue angle, I should have done it in blue. In fact, I think I will. The blue angle is 126 degrees, right? 126 degrees. That's all we had to do. But I want you to remember what that theorem says. That's why I wrote that note there. Anytime you need to find it, it's called exterior because it's on the outside of the triangle. Isn't that blue angle on the outside of the triangle? What word did we say means outside? I just wrote it down actually. Exterior, exterior. Yeah, exterior. Yeah, I wrote it down up there so you can remember it. And interior means inside. Doesn't it kind of make sense that that blue angle is outside of the triangle? Yep. And the green angles are inside. The technical word is interior and exterior. So to get the exterior angle, we have to add up the two interior angles that are remote, that are furthest away. Okay? Yeah, the arithmetic isn't hard. You just add up two stinking numbers, right? It's which ones that you have to add up. Like if they had put another number in there, let me just do this for a second here. 48 plus, what did we just say? If they, and sometimes they will, okay, sometimes they'll put another number here like 54. Oh yeah, let me do that one. Let me go ahead and stop this one and we'll do another one.